my dad got one of them with the 280 in it. The seats in.
Yeah, that's a small cube motor. That's
God damn. What CFM you running on those?
those are 650s when I was 12 off the car.